Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to purchase apps from App Store and it's showing error your purchase could not be completed, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So firstly, what you need to do is just simply close this page, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on settings. Now from here scroll it on, tap on general, and from here make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, then you have to update your device to the latest version, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And once it's there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on your Apple ID banner, scroll it down, then you have to sign out your Apple ID from your device, and then you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and sign in your Apple ID again, and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the parcel is there, then what you need to do is just simply tap on your Apple ID banner again, and then you have to tap on media and purchases. Then you have to view your account, and from here you have to wait for a while, and here is your account. So from here you have to tap on manage payment option. So from here make sure that you have put correct information here, especially expiry date or CVV security code, and after that you have to tap on your billing address and make sure that you have put correct information, especially for the zip code, and then go back from here. Can go back, and from here you have to scroll it down, and from here you have to tap on purchase history, and make sure that you don't have any pending purchase here. If you have, then you have to remove for them or pay for them, and then go back and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if once is there, then you have to tap on country origin, and now from here wait for a while. Now tap on change country origin, scroll it on all the way, and from here you have to select your country. Now I'm going to select Pakistan, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully, and after that you have to agree to them. Again tap on agree, and here is your payment method, so you can select your payment method here. Now I'm going to select here at none, and here you have to put your billing address, first name or surname. Here you have to put your street, so you can put fake one, you can also put fake one from here, so you have to select your city. And after that you have to tap correct postcode from here. If you don't know about your zip code, then you have to search on Safari browser or another browser. In case of mine it's 64200, and here you have to put your phone number, and just simply tap on next, and after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.